Hi, I'm Andrew from Open Home Online.
And I'm John, and welcome to a very rare property. The original 3-bedroom cottage sits behind subtropical private gardens facing the northwest. Streaming sunshine brings your deck to life. Enter into the living room. Timber look, hard-wearing floorboards flow to the lounge room. A small, functional kitchen is both well-positioned and benefits morning sun. A fireplace for cooler winter evenings keeps you cosy. The hallway leads to a bathroom with separate toilet. There are 3 bedrooms. On the lower section of this generously proportioned block is your second 2-bedroom dwelling. Intelligently positioned. The design is smart. Simplicity ensuring light and good airflow. Hardwood door frames with interesting angles. Stained glass window brings a touch of authentic old into a new space. Sitting on your back deck brings back memories of your childhood treehouse. We are only a short walk to the Bellingen River. The centre of Bellingen Township is a 15-minute stroll. An eclectic mix of people and cultures, ideas and dreams. Business and opportunities await. A further 15 minutes will have you at some of the most spectacular coastline on the East Coast. Well, I'm John.
And I'm Andrew, and we're looking forward to showing you this really unique property.